How to send money to another Skrill account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send money to another Skrill account. Send money instantly to friends and family members with just their email address. First, select Skrill to Skrill from the transfer section of your Skrill account. Now, enter the recipient's email or select a person from your recent recipients list. Make sure you enter the correct email address and then enter the amount. If the total amount, including the fee, is bigger than what you currently have as an available balance, you will get the option to pay with a credit directly. Either select an already registered card or add a new one. After that, check the summary of the transaction and confirm it with your PIN. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.